In cleaning our high-speed handpiece, we'll go ahead and we'll detach it from the air supply. We'll go ahead and take our Bio Lube Cleaner. We'll just go down that same smaller of the two large ports where we place oil. And we'll give it 2 little squirts. Replace the handpiece back on, and we're going to run that cleaner through the turbine, cleaning, and we'll go ahead and disconnect it again. And now we're going to go ahead and oil it. We want to go ahead and replace it with the Bio Lube oil, the nano lubricant, and same down that same port. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be a little liberal on the oil after we clean, because we have nothing in there right now, just a little bit of cleaner that we're going to flush through with some of this oil. And when I press on here, you'll hear it, the singing of that turbine will change a little bit to a more of smooth. You can hear it pick up speed. Now the last thing we want to do after we did this, we'll remove the burr as well. Take our Bio Lube lubricant and just put 1 drop down the port and replace that as well. And that's how we clean the high speed and relube it.